Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all this matte eyeshadow look with a dramatic wing liner. Skin prep with an oil first. I like this one by Juice Beauty and I use it in most of my videos. Blush and Glow primer goes on next to smooth and soften my face. Today I'm applying a full coverage liquid foundation using the Anastasia Beauty foundation brush. I'm applying it all over my face, but I'm going to avoid the under eyes. Make sure you get the foundation all the way up into your hairline. Next, I'm using the Flawless Pro Blender to smooth the foundation in. Concealer is next. I like to apply it starting from my nose all the way out to my temples. Applying the concealer higher up to your temples gives you the illusion of a mini facelift. Tapping and blending in the concealer with this Anastasia Beauty concealer brush. Next, I use the Flawless Pro Blender to blend the concealer in even more. I'm using a lighter colored pressed powder to set all of the concealer areas. And I'm using a darker pressed powder to set the foundation on the outer edges of my face. This is going to add some warmth and dimension. Next up is brow powder to darken my eyebrows. I like how this pencil mimics hair, so I'm using it to darken and sharpen the eyebrows even more. Eyebrow gel is next, and I brush it on to hold the eyebrows in place. Primer goes next, and I'm applying this all over my eyelid. I'm going to use the Blush and Glow Jetsetter palette for this whole look. I'm starting off with the color Desert, and I'm going to extend it all the way out, bring it into my crease, and then I'm also going to extend it down to my lower lash line. I like to bring the eyeshadow far out past my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to brush on Jet Lag, which is the dark brown color from the palette, just on the outer corners, and then I'm bringing it down to the lash line. So I'm using a really small brush and really small movements, and by doing so, I'm keeping the eyeshadow contained in this little area. And then I'm going to blend this out by adding a little more desert to the outer edges and bringing desert all the way in. This light creamy color called Cashew goes all over the eyelid. And then just lightly blend out the edges again. Next, I'm tapping Jet Lag just on the lower lash line. And then I'm just going to lightly apply Cashew right on the brow bone. Okay, so today I'm contouring with a contour stick, and then I'm going to add on powder. I'm using the Anastasia Angle Concealer brush to brush on the contour. And then next, tap it in and blend it with a beauty blender and just make sure that all the lines are diffused. So side note, somewhere around this point, my camera decided to stop working and recording, and so I did not get any of the powder contour part. So right after the cream contour, it looks like I went straight into blush, but I actually applied powder contour on top of these areas. I absolutely love this palette. It has blush and highlight in it, so I'm using the warm toned orangey color. It's pretty vibrant, so you don't need too much. Here I'm using a clean brush just to blend in the product a little more. Now I'm applying this lighter shimmery colored blush color. It's so pretty. This is only going on the apples of my cheek, and it adds a little bit of shimmer. And then I'm going to apply the lighter color shimmer color from the palette to the high points of my face. This is my all-time favorite eyeliner. It's called Ninja by Blush and Glow. I'm gonna apply it to the top of my eye and then thicken it up. So you can also use a gel pot for this step, but I just love this eyeliner. It's smooth and really dark. Sorry for the lighting change here on my camera. I have no idea what happened here. Using little bitty strokes here to make the eyeliner thicker and longer. All right, so the top eyeliner is on. Now I'm gonna wing it out. I love this liquid liner by L'Oreal. The point is so skinny, so you can get really sharp and precise. And then I'm using the skinny tip to line the inner corner. So when I wing out this side, I have to stretch out my eye, and that always helps me just make sure I get it really precise and pretty. So next I'm gonna apply Black Sand, which is the dark black color from the palette, just on top of the eyeliner areas. And this is gonna darken it and make sure it lasts a long time. And then I'm using a skinny brush just to soften those edges a little. This lash primer is perfect. It thickens my real lashes, so I can just put mascara on top when it dries. Lip liner goes on next all over my lips. I like to apply it a little bit on the outer edges to plump my lips up. Cleaning up the lip liner with just a little bit of powder. I love this color by Anastasia. It's a little bit of a deeper nude, so it looks good on warm skin tones. And then I'm applying some Becca Shimmer Gloss just right in the center to give myself a little pout. All right, mascara next, my all-time favorite mascara. I love how skinny this brush is. It gets every little hair. I added this little bit of eyeliner just right at the end, and I think it looked really good. Setting spray next, and then we're done. So this is my finished look. I hope y'all liked it, and I'll see y'all next time.